We have a clear picture of what happened after J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan died and how police eventually found their bodies in Idaho. Court records indicate cell phone pings actually led investigators right to Chad Daybell's yard.
Yeah, he and the mother of those children, Lori Daybell, are both in jail, but neither are charged directly in the deaths of those kids. Fox 13's Lauren Steinbrecher breaks everything down from those documents.
According to Chad Daybell's probable cause statement publicly unsealed Friday, September 8th, the day of that Yellowstone trip and the last photo of Tylee, in the middle of the night, Alex Cox's cell phone pings in Lori Daybell's townhome. Then later, at Chad Daybell's property for 2.5 hours. After Alex's phone indicates him leaving, Chad texts his wife, Tammy. "Well, I've had an interesting morning," he writes, saying he burned tree limbs and shot, killed, and buried a raccoon in their pet cemetery. Fast forward to September 22nd. Lori's best friend Melanie Gibb and her boyfriend visit Idaho and tell police Alex took JJ to his townhome because JJ was acting up. When Alex returned later that night, he was carrying JJ, who appeared to be asleep with his head on Alex's shoulder. The next morning, JJ is gone. Lori tells the boyfriend JJ had been acting like a zombie and had been crawling on the kitchen cabinetry. He had knocked a picture of Jesus off the refrigerator. She said Alex came and took JJ. Alex's phone again pings at Chad's property that morning, this time for only 17 minutes. Using those phone pings analyzed by the FBI, police go in with a search warrant on June 9th of this year and start looking in specific spots. Upon digging in one area, they find human remains wrapped in plastic. In the pet cemetery near the burn pit, they find charred and uncharred human remains. Chad Daybell neighbors and police say watched the whole time in his car, then suddenly sped off when police found the remains. What's not answered is how JJ and Tylee died, and what this means for any potential further charges against Lori and Chad, who married after the children died and who are each in jail in separate counties in Idaho. Alex Cox died in December, ruled from natural causes, with family members saying they are heartbroken. They now have answers and the start of closure. Lauren Steinbrecher, Fox 13 News, Utah.
And those documents did not include any new information about the death of Chad's wife, Tammy Daybell. Her autopsy results have not been released.